Basket orders are useful when user want to place and execute multiple orders at different prices, different contracts, different segments, and different strategies at one click. Select the contract or instrument equity, futures, options that user wish to trade. Enter the script, quantity, price, market type, and select option Add to Basket. User can make as many basket, with maximum 20 script, or contract in each basket. All basket will be saved in Phillip9 mobile app, and can be used in future. The user can also add or delete script, or contract within the basket. After adding orders in the basket, user have to select execute option to place the buy or sell basket orders. After market order, similar to normal basket order, user can use the AMO basket orders. Start your journey with Phillip9. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.